हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? एज यू ऑल नो, वी वर डिस्कसिंग पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स. ठीक है. In that, I told you that there are four methods to solve linear equations. One of them which we discussed was graphical method, and another one which we discussed was substitution method. ठीक है. The third one we will discuss today is elimination method. Students, this is very important method because it is easy. It is easy to solve the problem. Here it takes less time also, and the chances to make mistakes are less also. ठीक है. Now we will understand this method with the help of example. ठीक है. Okay, let us take an example. 2x plus 3y equal to 9 and 3x plus 4y equal to 5. Mark it as equation 1 and mark it as equation 2. Now how we will proceed in this method? As the name suggests, elimination means we have to eliminate any variable. Either it can be x variable or it can be y variable. ठीक है. We have to eliminate any of the variable. Now in order to get the value of variable x, we need to eliminate variable y, or in order to get the value of y, we need to eliminate the variable x. So suppose we want to eliminate y variable, then how we will do it? ठीक है. What we will do here is we make the coefficients of both y same. Here the coefficient of y is 3 and here the coefficient of y is 4. So the idea is to make both the coefficients same. How we will do it? We will take LCM of these coefficients and make it equal to their LCM. Here the LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. So what we will do, we will make coefficient of y here also 12 and here also 12 by multiplying with suitable number. ठीक है. So if here coefficients of y, here it is also positive, here also it is positive, then what we will do, in order to eliminate y, we need to subtract the equations. If the coefficients of y have alternate signs, then what we will do, we will add both the equations to eliminate that particular variable. Okay. So what we will do, we will take LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So in order to make here coefficient equal to 12, we need to multiply whole equation with 4. Whole equation means both LHS and RHS we need to multiply. Here the coefficient is 4. In order to make it 12, we need to multiply whole equation with 3. So what we will do, we will multiply whole equation with 3. So 4 into 2x, 8x, 4 into 3y plus 12y, 9 equal to 36. Similarly, 3 3 ja 9x, 3 4 ja 12y, 5 3 ja 15. Now the coefficient of both these equations of y are same. Now we want to eliminate y. What we will do, we will subtract both the equations. So when we will subtract, the sign will get changed, plus minus and minus. It will be cancelled. It will be minus x equal to 21. So this will give you x equal to minus 20. Look how easily we have got the answer. Now in order to get the value of y, we can put this value of x in any of the above equations. So put value of x in, let us take equation 1. So 2 into minus 21 plus 3y equal to 9. So this will be minus 42 plus 3y equal to 9. So this will give you 3y equal to 42 plus 9. This will give you 3y equal to 51. It will give you y equal to 51 upon 3. So we will say that y equal to 17. So the answer of the following equations are x is equal to minus 21 and y equal to 17. ठीक है. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द इजिएस्ट मेथड टू गेट द आंसर्स. ठीक है. Okay, now we will take another example. Here in this section I will take 5 examples. Each one will be of different. ठीक है, so it will be all these questions will cover all the aspects. ठीक है, so question number 2, it is a different question again. X upon 10 plus y upon 5 equal to, sorry, y upon 5 plus 1 equal to 15, and x upon 8 plus y upon 6 equal to 15. Mark it as equation 1, mark it as equation 2. Now here we have plus 1 equal to 15. So what we can do, we can take 1 equal to in RHS and we will get 15 minus 1. So x upon 10 plus y upon 5 equal to 15 minus 1. This is from equation 1 equal to, so x upon 10 plus y upon 5 equal to 14. Now here LCM is, here denominator is 10, here it is 5. So we can take LCM, it is 10. So it will be x plus 2y equal to 14. So we will get x plus 2y equal to 140. Now we can solve from equation 2. What is equation 2? X upon 8 plus y upon 6 equal to 15. LCM of 6 and 8 will be 24. So 8 3 are 24. So x will be multiplied with 3 plus 6 4s are 24. So y will be multiplied with 4 equal to 15. So this will give you 3x plus 4y equal to 15 into 24. This will give you 3x plus 4y equal to 360. ठीक है, mark it as equation 3 and mark it as equation 4. Now we have our two equations, this one and this one. Now we have two options, either to eliminate x or to eliminate y. Suppose I want to eliminate y. So here the coefficient of y is 4 and here the coefficient of y is 2. So the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. So in order to make it 4, what we have to do? We have to multiply this equation with 2. So the coefficient of y will become 4. Here already it is 4. So no need to perform any action. So now we will write. Now first we will multiply this equation with 2. So it is 2x plus 4y equal to 140 into 2 is 280. Now this equation we will write as it is. 3x plus 4y equal to 360. Now coefficients of y are same, but they both have positive sign. So what we have to do? We have to subtract. So when we subtract, the signs will be reversed. So it will be minus x, it will be cancelled, equal to minus 80. Minus minus got cancelled. So you will get x is equal to 80. Now in order to get value of y, we need to put value of x in any of the equation. So what we can do? Put value of x in equation 3. This is our equation 3. We will put value of y x here to get value of y. So 80 plus 2y equal to 140. ठीक है, तो 2y equal to 140 minus 80. So 2y will be equal to 60. Y equal to 60 upon 2. This will give you y equal to 30. So x is equal to 80 and y equal to 30 is your answer. ठीक है. Now let us take another question. Okay, again it is a different question. All the questions will be of different kind. ठीक है. Let us take 2 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 1 and 60 upon x plus 40 upon y equal to 90. Let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. ठीक है. Now what we can do? We can write the following equations as 2 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y equal to 1. Similarly, this can be written as 60 into 1 upon x plus 40 into 1 upon y equal to 19. You can see that these equations are not in standard form. Okay, these are not in the form of ax plus by equal to c. So what we have to do, first of all we have to convert into standard form. One such questions we have discussed in substitution method. What we can do, mark it as equation 3 and mark it as equation 4. We have to take 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So when we do this, so it will reduce to 2a plus 5b equal to 1 and 60a plus 40b equal to 90. Now these are equations in linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now suppose we want to eliminate b. Then what we have to do? We have to make coefficients of b same. So here, so what we will do, we will take LCM of 5 and 40. So LCM of 5 and 40 will be 40. So we have to make coefficient of b equal to 40. So what we will do, we will multiply equation number 3 with 8. In order to get 8 5s will be 40, and here already it is 40. So no need to perform any action on this equation. So what it will be like this: 8 into 2 16. So 16a plus 8 5s are 40. 40b equal to 1 into 8. It will be 8. Now we have to write this fourth equation as it is: 60a plus 40b equal to 90. Now the coefficient of b are same sign, so we have to subtract, minus minus minus. So it will be 44a equal to minus 44a equal to minus 11. Minus minus will be cancelled, only 11. So a will be equal to 11 upon 44. So a will be equal to 1 upon 4. Now we have to find value of b also. So what we will do, we will put value of a in any of the above equation. So put value of a in equation 3. So 2 into 1 by 4 plus 5b equal to 1. This will be cancelled 1 and 2 times. 1 upon 2 plus 5b equal to 1. So 5b equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2. So 5b equal to 1 upon 2. Then 5 will go in denominator. So b will be equal to 1 upon 10. So we have the values of a and b. But we are supposed to find value of x and y, not a and b. Okay? So in order to find the value of x and y, what we will do, we have 1 upon x is equal to a. But we know that value of a is 4. So we can write 1 upon x equal to a. 1 upon x is equal to a. But value of a is 1 upon 4. So we will write 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 4. Cross multiply. This will give you x is equal to 4. Similarly, 1 upon y is equal to b. But value of b is 1 upon 10. So we can write 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 10. 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 10. So this will give you y equal to 10. So this is your final answer. Not a and b are your final answers. Your final answer is x and y. X is equal to 4 and y equal to 10. Okay? Now we will consider another example. Let us take another example. Question 4. 4 upon x plus 5y equal to 7 and 3 upon x plus 4y equal to 5. Mark it as equation 1. Here also we can solve this question by two methods. How? First of all, we can consider 1 upon x is equal to a and y equal to b, like we did in previous example. then you will get value of a and b, and finally you will get value of x and y. And the second method is directly make the coefficient of either y or 1 upon x equal. So here coefficient of 1 upon x is 4 and here the coefficient of 1 upon x is 3. ठीक है? No, so what we will do, we will make the coefficients of 1 upon x same. So here the numerator it is 4 and here it is 3. So LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. So we need to make the numerator of 1 upon x same, coefficient of 1 upon x same. So in order to make it equal to 12, what we need to do, we need to multiply equation 1 with 3. So when this 4 will be multiplied with 3, it will be 12, and we need to multiply equation 2 with 4, then this coefficient will also be 12. So multiply equation 1 with 3 and multiply equation 1 with 4. Look, 4 into 3 12, it will be 12 upon x. 5 3 ja 15y equal to 7 3 ja 21. Similarly 3 4 ja 12 upon x plus 4 4 ja 16y equal to 5 4 ja 20. Here the coefficient of 1 upon x is 12. Here also coefficient of 1 upon x is 12. Here the both have same sign, positive. So what we will do, we will subtract. So when we will subtract, the sign will be reversed. It will be cancelled. It will be minus y equal to 1. So this will give you y equal to minus 1. Now what we have to do, we have got the value of y. Now we need to find the value of x. So we can put value of y in any of the above equation. So what we will do, put value of y in, suppose, equation 1. So it will be 4 upon x plus 5 into minus 1 equal to 7. 4 upon x minus 5 equal to 7. 4 upon x equal to 7. Minus 5 will be go here, minus 5 will go there, it will be plus 5. So 4 upon x will be equal to 12. So when x will go in there numerator, 12 will come here in denominator. So x will be equal to 4 upon 12. 1 times 3 times. So the value of x is 1 by 3. So x is 1 by 3 and y is minus 1. ठीक है, this is your answer. ठीक है, okay. Now we will discuss one last question. Question 5. It says that 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. Here also it looks like the previous question. What we will do, we can take 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. बेटा ऐसी बेवकूफ़ी मत करना, ठीक है. Look carefully. Mark it as equation 1 and mark it as equation 2. Here we can write it as 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon minus y minus 2 equal to 1. So instead of taking 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे भी 1 upon x minus 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 upon x minus 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 upon y minus 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 upon y minus 2 है. So instead of 1 upon x and 1 upon y, we will take 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. So what we have to do, 1 upon x, take 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. But it is the lengthy question, so it might come in 4 marks. ठीक है, so when we will substitute these values, it will reduce to 5a plus b equal to 2 and 6a माइनस 3b इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है. नाउ mark it as equation 3 and mark it as equation 4. Now what we have to do? Now we have to eliminate any of the coefficient, any of the variable. Suppose we want to eliminate variable y, sorry not y, b. We want to eliminate b. So here the coefficient of b is 1 and here the coefficient of b is 3. So the LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. So we have to make the coefficient of b 3 also. In here also and here also. Here already it is 3, so no need to perform any action, but here the coefficient of b is 1, so we need to multiply this equation with 3 in order to get coefficient 3. Okay, so now how the equations will look like now? 5 3 is 15a plus 3b equal to 3 2 is 6, and we have to write this equation as it is. 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Now here the signs are opposite, so we need to add this equation. So directly it will be cancelled. 15 out 6, it will be 21a equal to 6 plus 1 7, a equal to 7 upon 21, then a equal to 1 upon 3. Now we need to find the value of b. So to find the value of b, put value of a in equation, which equation? Suppose 3 equation. ठीक है, 3 equation. So it will be 5 by 3 plus b equal to 2, b equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, here denominator 1, 3, 1 3 is 3, so 2 will be multiplied with 3, so 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 5, so this will give you b equal to 1 upon 3. So we have got the value of a is 1 by 3 and b is 1 by 3, but we are supposed to find the value of variables x and y, not a and b. So what we have considered initially, we have considered 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a, and a is equal to 1 by 3, so we will write 1 by 3. Similarly 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b है, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b, and b is equal to 1 by 3, so we can write 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. So 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. So when we will perform cross multiplication, it will give you x minus 1 equal, 1 will be multiplied with x minus 1, so it will be x minus 1 equal to 3 into 1 3. So this will give you x is equal to 3 plus 1, so this will give you x is equal to 4. Similarly y minus 2 will be multiplied with 1, so it will give you y minus 2 equal to 1 into 3 is 3, so this will give you y equal to 3 plus 2, and this will give you y equal to 5. ठीक है, so this completes your variety of questions. ठीक है, I hope आपको concept समझ में आया होगा. ठीक है, now in next lecture what we'll do, we'll discuss cross multiplication method. We don't use that method generally, but since it is there in your course, we will discuss that. ठीक है, most of the times we'll use elimination method only. ठीक है, I hope आपको समझ आ रहा होगा. ठीक है, so don't, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.